I'm at the Bendricks. This video was recorded in January 2021, and when I recorded it, it was the day that the best dinosaur footprint I have ever seen in the Bendricks was found. Well, it was actually discovered a couple of days before, but I was shown it by a chap by the name of Richard, who'd found it with his daughter Lily, and we came down with his other son George and his lovely wife Sally, and we came and had an explore to find the dinosaur footprint. Well, when I actually first saw it in the flesh, it was wet and it wasn't shining and iridescent as the photograph that I'd seen only hours before. But as it got wet and it dried, it came alive, and it's the best. You know, I've been looking at these dinosaur footprints for a long time, right? And ooh, and that little bit there, it's hollow underneath, so I don't think I'll be walking on that bit anyway. So yes, it's all eroding here quite rapidly, really. I walked along there earlier on, not good. So anyway, I'm here, and there's something else as well, and I need to take a photograph of this. This is part of the Waimak Railway, basically Waimak Railway route. In the 1940s, they cut out all this, the navvies cut out all this, and they laid a track along here for a very short time, Waimak Railway, because it was taken up after the First World War, and there's bits of it on Flatholm, which is in the distance. And this on the ground here is actually one of the plugs that held a metal pin, which has got a thread on it, a Yankee thread. Actually, we actually got one of those, and there it is. So I'm multitasking here as I'm filming, and I'm going to take a picture of this for a book that we're publishing. So there we go, got that. And again, I'm going to take this image. So this is really eroded away since the Second World War. And when the railway was lifted more or less straight away and went off for scrap. So I just wandered about, and so anyway, any proof of this, and all this has been eroded away. Look at all that, it's gone. Look at that, all that meters and meters gone. So anyway, whoa, bit of an interruption there, wasn't it? So let's just have a look at this wonderful dinosaur print, Ankylosaurus, and it's beautiful. Now, it was reported months ago that dinosaur footprint had been found on Penarth Beach. It was actually quite crap, really. I don't think it was one. Whoever identified it, don't think had a clue what a dinosaur footprint was. But this, when we go down here now, we're going to have a look at this now. And you know, this isn't my discovery, this is Richard and Lily and Sally and George, and by the time this recording goes out, I'm hoping that this footprint will be safe in the museum, so nobody can take it. It's beautiful, it's absolutely, you can see it now coming up there. There it is. Oh wow, look at that, isn't that wow, isn't that absolutely amazing, that footprint there? It's great, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. There she is. Oh, that's great, that's great. Look at that, even more. Wow, doesn't that look absolutely spectacular as a dinosaur footprint goes? That's absolutely wonderful, absolutely wonderful, that. So when you see this, it'll be safe in the museum, and hopefully you'll all be able to see it with little Lily's name under it and Richard's name, which would be great. And I'm hoping that I did my bit to sort of make sure that this was actually recorded and went into the museum. Thank you very much.